Today on the Sugar Apron, I'm showing you how to make cranberry pecan chicken salad in tortilla roll-ups, wraps, sandwiches, or straight out of the bowl for a dinner or holiday menu, especially Thanksgiving or Christmas. This is a terrific recipe for using up leftover chicken or turkey. In a mixing bowl, combine the chicken, pecans, celery, and dried cranberries. In another bowl, whisk together the mayo, ground pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Pour over the chicken mixture and mix well. Make sure your tortillas are at room temperature before you roll them so they are nice and flexible. Lay a tortilla out on a plate and spread an even layer of the chicken and mayo mixture all the way to the edges, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Sprinkle with a pinch of fresh parsley. Roll up the tortilla tightly and place it on a plate, and then repeat until all the ingredients have been used. Pop into the fridge to chill for 2 hours. Slice each rolled tortilla off the ends into 1-inch slices. If you like this video, please leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.